Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. So today I have some fun cards with the Lemon Breeze die cuts by FindIt, and I have this pretty card to give away to one lucky winner. So you can learn it in this video how you can have a chance to win this card. So let's get started. I wanted to squeeze in one more summer card video, and I know many of you have already purchased these beautiful Lemon Breeze die cut sheets from my shop, so I wanted to give you some examples. I also used this bundle pack here, fruit stand. And it has a 6x6 paper pad with beautiful fruits on there, including lemons. And it has some frames and tags, some die cut pieces that comes in this bundle. This is the paper that I have used today with some specialty paper that I will introduce in a minute. So let's look at these beautiful die cut sheets, and then I'm going to show you my cards. So with FindIt, you always have 3 images on those sheets. Here's image number 1, image number 2, and this beautiful lemon tree here in the pot is number 3. And then you have all the layers. It is die cut, so all you have to do is push those out. There is the next one here that has this gorgeous basket, and look how juicy those lemons look here with an umbrella and on a bicycle. And then there is also this beautiful kite, a birdie, and a jug full of lemon water. So let's check the cards that I have created with this. So let me start with this beautiful kite, and you can see this gorgeous tail on there with all the luscious lemons, and of course I added some stickles, but look how nicely it layers. It's got this beautiful blue colors, so that's what I found in my stash, some background color that picks up the blue from the kite. And then I added just another strip here on this beautiful diamond cardstock, diamond glitter cardstock that I have embossed with an embossing folder that I have in my stash that also has kites on it. But this diamond glitter cardstock is now available in my store. It comes in a pack of specialty cardstock, so I'm going to share that with you in a minute. I have a second card that I used the very same glittery, I think that's called diamond glitter, white diamond glitter cardstock. I just used a different embossing folder, and here I have an orange card blank. I added a white panel in here, a white panel. This is just a copy paper, printer paper, and then a piece of scrap that's also orange. And of course I cut it a little smaller so you can see the orange card here on the edge. And then here is this beautiful kitchen scale with all the lemons on there. And the only thing I did here, I added some glossy accents on the face of the scale and also on the bowl, so it kind of looks like this is glass or this is porcelain, and then a little bit of stickers on my fruit. So I think these cards are simple but really pretty. Now let me show you this gorgeous pack of specialty cardstock. The cardstock is European style, and it is approximately 5.5 by 8.25. You get 2 sheets each. The only thing is the diamond glitter, you get 4 sheets, because I know we all will use that the most. But there is this beautiful hot pink glitter paper, and this glitter paper does not rub off. It is inside sealed into the cardstock. So then, like I said, you're gonna get 4 sheets of this gorgeous diamond glitter. And look how this will look as snow on your Christmas cards. Then we have this light pink, and this is a high gloss cardstock. And of course it's hard to see here with all the mirroring of the paper, so that is really like mirror paper. Here's a beautiful Christmas red. Here is a beautiful purple. I know the camera has a hard time picking this up. Then here is, let me see, it's focus. So then this is a satin color, but it's also shimmery, but it has a satin finish in pink. Another satin finish in light blue, or maybe like a dove blue. A satin finish in gold. And then a high gloss again in this beautiful green. So this cardstock, specialty cardstock, is now available, and I think it will be perfect for all the upcoming holiday crafts. Here you can see it again, same embossing folder, this time so simple, just one piece embossed, and it embosses very well. Then one piece of scrap, and I know some of you ask for scraps, and this is what you can use them for. You can use them as small card layers. And then of course this beautiful lemon tree. I love this pot it's in. Added some stickles. It's all layered up, and the card is just a white card blank. But a simple, it is not cluttered, and I think it's a beautiful card. I have another one that looks similar. Here I have used a piece of citrus cardstock that I had in my stash. This is not coming from the paper pad. The paper pad, the fruit stand, will come in a second. But yeah, here's just a yellow card blank. I think that was matching the lemons very well. Then I used some gold foiled cardstock, and then of course the pitcher with the lemons all around it, and the water with some lemon slices. And then this piece of scrap that I had in my stash, I just upgraded with glitter borders, and on the inside again a white panel. So here is today's giveaway card, and it is a pretty easel card. This is a no fuss easel card because I used the photo play card blanks, and they're already pre-scored, very quickly put together. I introduced all the different photo play fun fold cards in the prior videos, so check them out. I still have them in my shop. This is my go-to card now if I want to have some fun fold cards. And for this card, I used the background paper from the fruit stand. Look how beautiful it is. I also have a writing panel that I inked the edges. Here is this gorgeous bucket with all the lemons in there and some glitter. I also added some lemon paper up here. You could so write your message here. You could also write the message there. And then here is the topper. I just want to squeeze you. And how fun is that? I thought it was so super cute. So how can you win this card? You should be a visible subscriber to my channel. Leave me a comment, and in today's comments I would like to know from you, how do you store your crafts? Do you store them by season? So like me, that's what I do. I store all my crafts by season. I'm just putting away all my summer crafts, and I'm taking out my fall boxes. And then of course there comes Christmas and winter, and then it goes into spring and Easter and then summer again. Or do you have everything in one box? Maybe you're lucky enough and you have a craft room where everything is nicely organized. I wish I had that. I have to be a little bit more frugal. So I have my craft supplies boxed by season. So let me know in the comments. I always like to learn what other crafters do. I also, and then by the way, I have the winner announced in next week's video. So please come back to find out if you're a winner. If I already have your address, then you don't have to worry. I will send you the card. But if you are a new subscriber and I don't have your address yet, then I will leave a comment on the video so that you can read it and then let me know. You can email me your address, your mailing address. And here I have a second one, and I also made a second easel card, and this one same thing. I added some paper here on the inside. This comes from my stash, and then again a writing panel that I inked the edges, and on the front, this one I left white inside, and on the front I have this gorgeous paper with the lemons on there, this cute little tag, and then here is the birdie on the pretty yellow lemons. So 2 easel cards, and one lucky winner will have this card in the mail soon. And here are my 6 cards from today's video. I hope you liked them. I had a lot of fun making my summer cards this year, so now I'm going to move in to the fall season, but I will take it lightly. So there will be cards with sunflowers on there that definitely also will still go for summer before I go into the pumpkins. But some of these cards will be up for sale. I always make value packs of my cards that you can check on my website. If you're interested, you can purchase them, and that would really help my channel. So thank you very much. But this is all I have for you today. Please stay or get well. Happy summer crafting, or happy end of the summer crafting. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.